Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Today, we're diving into the world of 3D printing, comparing two heavyweights, the ANYCUBIC Photon Mono 2 and the FLASHFORGE Adventurer 5M. First up, let's talk about the price. The ANYCUBIC Photon Mono 2 is priced at $239, making it a wallet-friendly option. On the other hand, the FLASHFORGE Adventurer 5M is almost double the price at $479. So if budget is a concern, the ANYCUBIC Photon Mono 2 might be the way to go. When it comes to print quality, the Photon Mono 2 features a 6.6-inch 4K plus HD screen, perfect for intricate details. Reviewers have praised it for great-looking prints and ease of use. Meanwhile, the Adventurer 5M boasts dual fan nozzles and a 280 degrees Celsius direct extruder, offering superior results from delicate details to rapid prototypes. Reviewers highlight its speed and accuracy, making it a versatile option. Next, let's talk about speed and efficiency. The Photon Mono 2 is efficient, but the Adventurer 5M takes it to another level with its core XY structure and travel speeds of up to 600 millimeters per second. Plus, it has a mobile app for remote monitoring, allowing you to multitask easily. Reviewers appreciate its fast printing and reliability. Ease of use is crucial, especially for beginners. The Photon Mono 2 has upgraded slicing software and a laser-engraved platform for better adhesion. Reviewers find it simple to set up and operate. However, the Adventurer 5M offers one-click automatic printing and rapid nozzle changes in just 3 seconds. It's highly praised for its user-friendly setup and ease of service. Build volume is another important factor. The Photon Mono 2 has a build volume of 165 by 143 by 89 millimeters, which is decent. However, the Adventurer 5M offers a larger build volume, making it suitable for bigger projects. Reviewers appreciate its capacity to handle larger prints without issues. Finally, let's look at support and warranty. ANYCUBIC offers decent support, but FLASHFORGE goes the extra mile with lifetime technical support, a 1-year warranty, and a 12-hour response service. Reviewers have praised FLASHFORGE's responsive and helpful customer support. Overall, reviewers recommend the ANYCUBIC Photon Mono 2 for its ease of setup, quiet operation, and great print quality, making it ideal for beginners. On the other hand, the FLASHFORGE Adventurer 5M is praised for its speed, accuracy, and excellent customer support, making it a versatile and reliable choice. So, there you have it. The ANYCUBIC Photon Mono 2 and the FLASHFORGE Adventurer 5M. If you're on a budget and want great detail, go for the Photon Mono 2. But if you want speed, versatility, and top-notch support, the Adventurer 5M is your guy. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, subscribe, and leave a comment about which product you prefer and why. Product links are in the description. Until next time, happy printing!